Hello NFT lovers. Today I'm going to show you how you can bulk upload a collection to the OpenSea because as I was working on my collection I come across this problem, and doing it one by one it takes a lot of time and energy, and there is a lot of space for error. So here now I'll show you how you can do it for the whole collection in 1 to 2 days. So firstly, I'm using this program which I used before, and it showed to be the best one from my experience. It's called Mouse and Keyboard Recorder, and you can find it and download it here. So before we start, we need to have our collection in one folder of collection of images, and we need to have a opened Excel table with the name of the NFT, and this will be for the properties. So in my case I have maximum of 3 properties per NFT, but if you have more you can add it here, and then you will also copy and paste them as well. So to start we need to go to OpenSea to our collection, and we need to start recording. You need to have folder with one folder with your collection, and in that folder you make a new folder. You can name it uploaded, where you will put the images you already uploaded, so you don't do it twice. We need to make a loop, record it, and after that we just press play for as many times as we want. If we do 10 at a time, then we put it to repeat it for 1,000 times, and you have your 10K collection uploaded on OpenSea. So when we start the program, it's necessary to have all your tabs here in the same row, so it won't do error while repeating your task. So we start with pressing Alt and F1 to start recording, and with the middle mouse key we open 10 new tabs. After we have done that, you can navigate with the next tab with Control and Tab, and then we click to upload the picture. So as I mentioned, you need to have picture uploaded folder, and for the first one, for the first 10 pictures, you need to put before the first one 10 additional pictures, because first thing what we do when we run the program is to move already uploaded 10 pictures. Maybe it doesn't make sense now, but after we press play on the recording you will understand. So we need to move 10 pictures here. 7, 8, 9, 10. We click here and we click enter. We click for the name, and then we press Alt and Tab to move, and click Control C to copy the name. We paste it. We click to add properties. Again we navigate with Alt and Tab, and then we press Tab to go to the right box. We press Control C to copy. We then change tabs with Alt Tab and Control V, I'm sorry, to paste. And then we click Tab again, Alt Tab to move the next one, Control C, Control V, paste. Then we, depending on how much properties you have, I have 3 maximum per image. I click add more, click here, and then I add the next one and the next one. For this NFTs he has only one property, but we need to for every picture we need to record the maximum one, because for this case it will just leave it blank, it won't add property. This will be the only property. We add more, click here, the next one, the next, Control C, Control V, save, and then we click create. After that we navigate to the next one with Control Tab and repeat the process. The second one will be here. We click here, click enter, click item name, item name, and then we click Alt Tab and then go to the next one. Control C, here, we go here, tab this one, tab add more, tab Control V, here, here, and we repeat the process. Create next one, we click on the third one, then we you understand the concept by now. And for this tutorial I won't do for all tabs, I will just do first 3, and then I will navigate with Control Tab to the last one, and this will be the 10th one. This is the 10th one, but for this I will let's say 10th one, okay. This is the last one, 10th one. We do this, you know the process. We save, and after that it's important to change this to move it 10 rows below, because so the next one can start for the fresh new 10. So we go to the 76, click here, return to the previous tab, and navigate Control Tab to the second one, and then we need to close all these ones, because by now we uploaded all of them. You can wait a little bit longer, let's say a minute or two, because we will speed up the process which we recorded, so it can upload much faster. I will show you now what I mean. So let's say we wait a minute or two, and then we click Control W and we close all the uploaded ones, and we have finished. And then we can save the recording and press Shift and F2, as you can see in the bottom right corner. 10 items upload, and we click OK. This is the one, and you can now play your recording and it will indefinitely go and upload one by one, and it won't be repeated twice. So let me show you. Okay, let's to play it, we press Alt and F3, and now we put the maximum speed. So here you go. Firstly, we move the 10 items which we already uploaded last time. When the recording is playing, you can't move mouse on everything, because it will stop the recording. So here you can see it repeats everything we have done so far. It's much faster now because we speeded up the process. There is a point on program when you can. Okay, we repeat that for the second one, and so on and so on. I really hope this video helped you to bulk upload to OpenSea, and if you have any questions, be sure to put them in the comment section below. And in the end, I would like to introduce you to the project you saw in the video called Galaxy Metaverse. It's my own project where you are able to buy the solar systems that are not yet be discovered, because you know in galaxies and the universe there are trillions of stars and solar systems we don't know yet. And when you buy it, it's forever written NFT, and when astronomers discover it, you can claim it as your own, and by buying it you are becoming the Star Lord. So you can check it out on galaxymetaverse.io, join our Discord, Twitter, and you can also support the project if you like it and buy the NFT. So thank you for watching, and I hope I help you with this tutorial.